You sit down with your scene partner now and you just have a regular conversation. This process is very important. It's not, like I said before, about making friends. It's about creating more and more chemistry between you and your scene partner and trying to make us believe that you guys have been knowing each other for years, so you can perform a scene from the notebook. You can look like your friends, friends with benefits and so forth. That's a movie. Talk to your scene partner and ask questions that they would like to answer. This holds true for pretty much anything you do in the business. You need to learn how to ask questions and talk to people on their terms. You might be very excited about being on the movie set, and you might be very excited about all the changes and good things happening in your life. But what does the other person want to talk about, and how can you engage them in a conversation? That is the key question. So, people sitting down with you, they will always give you little hints about their week, about their life, about what they're going through, where they're from, what their family status is, anything that's they want to share with you. And that's what you look for. You look for common ground in conversations, and you try to get the other person to talk. You get the other person to feel comfortable with you. So here's a word of warning for the guys. You might be sitting down with a beautiful lady, but you'll be surprised at how many girls smile at you, but on the inside they think, wow, this is going to be a nightmare because this guy's only talking about himself. Well, same old's true for the ladies sometimes, but usually guys get very excited when they're in the scene with a beautiful woman. So you want to make sure that the woman you act with feels comfortable, and you gotta make sure that it doesn't turn into you're trying to date her, pick her up, or do anything of any form that makes her uncomfortable. It makes her feel that you're invading her personal space. So also in this phase, you will talk about the no-touch rule. You cannot touch your scene partner without first asking permission. You can tell them, listen, you can tell, because it's a love scene, you can touch my knees, you can touch my arms and shoulders, don't touch anything up here, up there, whatever you feel comfortable with. Acting is about creating great scenes. It's about creating great relationships with other actors. If they're safe and they know that you're not going to abuse them in the scene by passing the limits, they will do great in their acting. You will have a wonderful scene and your career will take off. So it's very important that you speak about these boundaries and you talk about what's comfortable for each actor and for you also in the scene.